Manipur ki Directorate of Environmental and Climate Change na sinduna chathagadaba taruk suba State Level Media Fellowship on Climate Change Reporting 2025-2026 ka mari lenena fellowship asigi apply tawrakpa paumi singa ngasi interaction program ama pangthokri Porampata laiba Directorate of Environment and Climate Change ki conference hall da pangthokiba thoram aduda JSCगी fellowship program asida saruk yagadaba paumi singa Directorate ki official amadi expert singa interaction program adu pangthoki panbe abadi fellowship asida SKTV news ki chief reporter Khetrumeyum Prem Chansu saruk yana bagidamak interaction section asida saruk yari JSCगी oina fellowship program asigi hiramna climate change impacts and action in Manipur haiba asini
Manipur Legislative Assembly ki Speaker T.A. Saitabertana Easter celebration ka mari lainana Manipur miyamda maru oina Christian lining chatpasingda yaifa pauzil pirakli kumai asina lakpaga iroinana amambabu anganbana maithiba piduna anaubo mangal amadi asa ama puraktuna lamdam asida ing chikpa nungsi chanaba amadi amata oibagi wakhalona du purakpa oirasanu haina mahakna pauzil lakli